Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by launching Space Engine and confirming the app sees your GPU and drivers. Once done, load the core catalog and any add-ons so models and textures appear. Configure display resolution, aspect ratio, and time acceleration early because these settings affect rendering and performance. Make sure to bind movement and camera controls to keys or a gamepad now. This prevents interruptive reconfiguration later. These first steps get you into the simulation quickly and avoid visual or control surprises. Use the search F3 to jump to stars, planets, or precise coordinates. Entering values gives exact placement. Once there, switch camera modes and probe modes to move smoothly. Camera speed and orientation determine whether you orbit or flyby. Adjust time controls to slow or speed orbital motion so you can observe dynamics. Lock a target to keep it centered and enable labels, orbits, and grids to understand scale. These controls let you explore deliberately rather than drift aimlessly. You capture what you need by setting screenshot resolution or starting video capture with an appropriate codec and bitrate. Choose a destination folder you can access later. Once done, export object lists or camera paths for documentation or external editing. Save your session as a preset so you can return to the same view and time. If something goes wrong, make sure to check the log file and GPU driver status first. Most rendering or crash issues stem from drivers or conflicting overlays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.